Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a brand new video. And today guys, we're gonna be unboxing the Hobbywing 120 ampere ESC. And actually this ESC looks really cool from outside and I'm so excited to unbox it. So should we start unboxing right now? Oh, it looks so cool. Here's a brand looking Hobbywing ESC box. We shall unbox it right now. 3, 2, 1. Here the beast shows up. And from the looking of it, the quality build is really impressive. That's really good, actually. Oh, it also comes with an XT90. That's really nice. It comes with the wires. You want to see the ESC itself, so here goes nothing. And this is the ESC. Okay. Let's take the boxes away. And this is the wires, the spare parts, or extra stuff like this, capacitors, yeah, and double-sided tape and mounting screw with the zip ties. Man, that's really nice. So we got this and that and some manual, and obviously with the stickers, and that's the box. It's empty. So yep, we gotta start going ahead and fire it up. Why not? So I'm gonna bring my car, take all this, all that, and put it in the box. Same goes for this and that, and now we're ready to do it in the car. So this is my project RC car. I just posted on YouTube some days ago, and I was waiting for this ESC to come so we can use it. But actually I have it on XT90, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work. Okay. We'll try it. I'm not sure because my battery is not on XT90, it's on this kind of plug, and I'm not sure if it's gonna do something. So yeah, let's see. Does it fit? Should try it in a different income. Okay, came out barely, but I think we should try and make it go like that, because it seems to be going perfectly like that. And now let's put in the motor wires. That's one. Go. Please go. Go. Yeah. Thanks. And the 2. And this is the 3. It looks clean though. And it's a big surprise because from Hobbywing, yep, it's really good. I'm going to just put this wire with it so it can be much more cleaner. And we're gonna connect the servo and the ESC to the transmitter right away. It's so messy in here. It's because like everything is compacted in one place, but that's really good. The switch is gonna go on this side, and for now I'm not gonna zip tie it or anything, just gonna test it out and see if it's gonna work. And we're gonna go do a speed run, and I'm gonna do that in a different video. First of all, let's check if everything is gonna work. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that, but I guess for now I'm gonna just cut the wires and do something. And I'm back, so we can cut the wires. That's good. Oh, this cutter's not cutting very well. Bye bye XT90. And now let's do the new wires. Oh wow. Scissors time. That's one. That's two. I'm gonna be soldering this layer, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna try to do it as fast as possible so you guys can see what Hobbywing is capable of. And most of you have seen it on YouTube, but I really like testing this while I'm on camera right away, and I really love it this way. So I'm gonna connect it to this one meanwhile. Not so tight, because I'm gonna need the wires to be in really good condition. And this is the black wire. The moment of the truth. We shall see what's gonna happen. 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay. I'm gonna first need to do this so I can calibrate it. Okay, so that's on. I have my transmitter. And it's on. Now we need to forward, then click, then reverse. I think I did it the wrong way. Maybe I did it the wrong way. Let's try. Oh, I did it the correct way. Oh, I just... Okay. Yeah, it worked, guys. See, the tires are moving. Oh my god, that's gonna go really insane. Man. Wow, that's interesting. Let's just check it. It's gonna go on slow motion. It doesn't go reverse, but it goes front. I'm gonna calibrate it later. So yeah, guys, this is everything you gotta know about Hobbywing, and the servo has plenty of power. And I think this ESC is gonna do so much, like literally so much. I'm gonna do everything with it. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you guys in the next one.